Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. I'm at it again. I'm getting ready to make some gumbo with shrimp, chicken, Cajun chicken andouille sausage, and different vegetables. But my secret ingredients is beer. Alright, I'll get back with y'all in a few and show you how I made it. Bon appetit. Chicken cooking. You can use chicken thighs because it has more fat. I don't really like chicken thighs, so I use cut up chicken breast. I'm gonna make sure it cooks thoroughly. Alright, so here's the roux that I'm starting. It's dark, but not dark enough. It needs to be like a dark chocolate color. You gotta keep stirring for about 30 to 40 minutes until you get the color and consistency you like. This was after I cooked the chicken and the sausage and took some beer and some butter and flour. Then I'll do the Holy Trinity shortly: onions, celery, and peppers. Then let it simmer. I'll be back. I've added the Trinity, onions, peppers, and celery to my roux. So we have to cook this until the onions are translucent. Don't worry about the bottom right now, because once we start putting that fat in there, that'll lift that and give it more flavor. So now we have a roux and roux coming together for the gumbo. Add 3 bay leaves. Add chicken stock in there. And some people use the shell of their shrimp, but I use shrimp stock instead. It just makes the process a little quicker. At the end, chicken and shrimp. I'm sorry, chicken and sausage are already in there along with the vegetables. Last thing you do is add the shrimp. You can add more chicken broth if you think you need it. You make sure you strain out the bay leaves before you serve it. And some may want it with rice, but if you're doing low carb, you can have it without rice. And make sure you make the seasoning as spicy as you like it. This part where I just add the shrimp, you only need 5 minutes for them because you don't want them to cook too long to get tough. And then we'll add the crab legs. And I'll show you the finished product. There you have it. The Shawnna's version of New Orleans gumbo. One with rice, one without. Bon appetit.